So Jonathan Ruiz po, your palm master again. Today, really, there are a lot of good news coming and I'm overwhelmed, no? Pero today, our topic will be about health. Actually, if you can see, I'm on the park, no? Kasi naniniwala ako na health is wealth. So, kahit na mag-gain mo man sa mundo yung napakaraming pera o napakaraming achievements or makuha mo man lahat ng gusto mo, kung yung health mo naman is hindi maganda, you will be bedridden and then you will die. Everybody will die. So the thing is, you really need to check your lifestyle. So kailangan mong i-check, sobrang coffee ba yung tinitake mo araw-araw? So 5 cups a day. Marami ka bang junk foods na kinakain? Actually ako personally is guilty ako dyan, no? Almost 5 espresso a day yun na take ko. So today, starting today, I'm only taking like 1 coffee in the morning. Then another thing is junk foods. Guilty ulit ako dyan. So I gained really a lot of weight when I moved here in UAE, no, almost 10 kilos, no, compared when I was in Europe. And siguro isa rin dun is ang sarap magluto ni Mrs. Ang sarap magluto ng mga nakakasama ko dito. And then of course, ang dami laging invitations for birthdays, parties. Siyempre hindi mo maiwasan ng kumain. Pagkatapos lagi pang eat all you can. So I'm really having a hard time to discipline myself when it comes to health. Pero since ang dami kong nakita and na-encounter na nagkasakit sa pamilya, no, and then of course namatay, so siguro is very important talaga na pangalagaan natin yung katawan natin. Kasi hindi maganda na, alam mo yon, we'll take it for granted. Hindi natin wala tayong pakialam na meron tayong maramdaman in the future. Pero once na yung sarili mo o yung katawan mo is bumigay na, you will not be able to work. So you will not be able to support your family. You will not be able to support all those people that depends on you. So ngayon pa lang, kailangan alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. So ako personally, I'm trying to repent. So nag-jogging ako ngayon. And I'm trying na pagkagising sa umaga, meditate like 5 minutes and then walk around. And of course, trying to cut some of those junk foods and coffee. So ikaw, ano ba yung tinatry mo na baguhin sa sarili mo? So hopefully, I believe talaga, you can improve yourself. Of course, the way I'm trying to improve myself. So lahat po tayo is nasa sa atin yung pagbabago. It should start within us, sa loob din sa sarili mo. So maraming salamat po sa lahat na nanonood ng mga videos ko. Mabuhay po kayo.